Hello YouTube, Big Ford guy here. Just wanted to give you a little update on the Ford. Here we go. We finally got the other pieces welded in. Like you see, there's the back end for the 71. We got that all welded in. I mean, that's solid. I mean, you're not moving that. We got that good. We've got the corner in on this side. My camera won't wide expand, but yeah. Still got a little more work to do down here. But that's where it meets, so I might seam seal it. And up there, we got to take a wire brush. My camera just don't want to angle it. But yeah, we got the 71 ass on it. It's all on real good. We started on the rest of the car too. We've got the quarter down here, which is all rotted. So we're going to put some metal in that and so I can get a better look at it because my camera's acting weird. Yeah, there's the quarter. We got it all out. Car really ain't too bad as far as rust. The ends right here for those are the ends. They were smashed. I fixed them all. They were all smashed and cracked, and so I got those all going. And I got the other one up there. The other one up there I just fixed. Got it all done. I mean, the car's. I want to go thoroughly through this car more than I do anything else because I've had it a long time and I want to do it right, so I'll try to give you a view of the whole car. Oops. There's the whole side of it. We got most of the chrome off on the bottom. All that. The top. Remember I said there was rust in the top? Somebody fixed this before. You can see the rust in the fiberglass right there. Somebody didn't do a good job, but what they did, they probably saved it. But and another thing, I knew I was supposed to have a, should say LTD with like wings on the bottom. I didn't have that ever, so somebody's put another vinyl top on it at one point in its life, and it was a cheaper vinyl top because it's made of nothing. I'm gonna do another vinyl top anyways. The inside, I believe I showed you, but we got the doors all apart. Inside the door jambs are all good, of course. A little bit of rust, not much. Car's in fairly good shape. The floorboards took a hit because all my seals, which we got it all off now, but all my seals were leaking, and it was leaking into the floorboards like that. So I'm going to sandblast all this, and we're going to fix what's got to be fixed. I don't see nothing major, but we're going to fix whatever's got to be fixed. And I mean, the cars will be done right. So it'll take me a while, but it'll be done right. Amongst everything else I got to do. Well, I mean, she's a fairly solid car. I mean, biggest part, the quarters were bad. This one was bad, and I think the other one's just as bad. And where you see that, them dots right there, were rust, I just got them off. Those are where the chrome goes. But if you look at the bottom of those doors, because it was sitting underneath that chrome, or that black filler piece like that, right there. Well, I had that over here, and it went down the whole side of the car, and it was underneath, so that's why he did that. That there, and hold on, my camera. Camera's being stupid again. And that right there. I would like to get another door. My 71 door, I don't think it's any better, so I can actually fix that if I wanted to. But yeah, that's her. All the chrome, the window, my window. I had to take the windshield out. I had to take the back window out. There's all the parts and chrome to her. And yeah, that's her. Try to get a big enough view so you can see the whole car, but that is her. Like I said, it looked good when it was all cleaned up, but it was hiding a lot of rust underneath the chrome and the trunk. So this is Big Ford guy. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you very much.